Does that look familiar? There's a couple things going wrong here. Number one, this clay is really dry. I should be able to push my thumb really far into this clay if it was soft enough. Number two, my body position is all wrong. I'm reaching way out here. I'm using my arms like this. So, first step, take your wire, slice this guy free. Then clean off your wheel. Use one of these. Scrape off that slippery, slimy clay. Get rid of that. Now you'll notice I have some slip out here, but this part here is nice and dry. It's ready for the next ball of clay. You don't have to do anything else. If you get a lot of water here, then what you have to do is take your sponge and clean it all up. Get all this, if you have a bunch of slip there too, you just clean it up. Squeeze all the water out of it. Dry it off as good as you can. And then if you have to, take a little towel. Or sometimes I'll use the palm, the ball of my hand if it's dry, but in this case it's not very dry. So a towel is the best. Just dry that off. Get your new ball of clay. Now this one, nice and squishy. That's what we want. Give it a little pop. Use the rings to line it up. Get all the goop off your hands. And then press it down. Really good press like that. I like to use, see how, I'm a big guy, but I still like to use my body weight in both hands. You don't need to pancake it. Sometimes I see people just kill it, and then you have a pancake that's hard to work with. Just mashing it into a nice shape that's ready for centering. If you need to move it side to side, do that before. Shift it a little bit, right? And then test it. It's not coming off. But just to make sure, get our wheel spinning nice and fast. Dip our hands in water. Set them on the clay to get it wet. And then first thing we're going to do, well, if you're really nervous, you can take your finger right here and smear this edge down. See, that just creates like a little seal right there. Don't worry about these little holes. Those will smooth out. That's where I pushed my finger in to test it. So you do that little smear and then press down first just to make sure it gets attached. Like that. And then we're going to do the 3-2 method for centering. First, we're going to brace our elbows. We're going to straighten up our back so we're not hunching over like I like to do. Connect your hands. Elbows braced, hands connected. That gives you this triangle like this. That's nice and stable. Everything's working together. Then you lay your hands on the clay and press for 1, 2, 3, and then 2 seconds you lift off. Dip your hands again. Set your hands on the clay. 1, 2, 3. Slowly lift off. Sometimes you can just dip one hand if you already have plenty. 1, 2, 3. Slowly lift off. Now notice every time I come back with water, I tuck my elbows, I connect my hands, then I go to the clay. You can use some of the slip if you want. 1, 2, 3. Lift off. Okay, so that's just an easy trick for resetting your body position, getting water, and pressing just a little bit. You don't wear yourself out that way. You always get to reset your body position so you're not practicing bad habits over and over and over again. And then you get water, which is super important. If you're pushing on the clay hard enough, the water's going to dissipate in about 5 to 10 seconds. So if you get water more often than you think you even need to, you're going to be in better shape.